Hello, this is Janet, and this is CUIN 7374, and this is my Screencast-O-Matic presentation on my demonstration of animation that I have added, or at least some animation that I have added to my PowerPoint to make it more engaging. So this PowerPoint is part of the workforce program that I teach in, and it's for the pharmacy technician program. And in this presentation, we go over the admissions process and the requirements to be able to apply to the program. So my first animation is going to be in slide number 1, and I just thought it was a good idea to do it in the first slides, just to have a engaging introduction, and then I went on to slide number 2 and slide number 5. So between slide 1, 2, and 5, I think I completed all the requirements in order to finish this project. So my first animation here is entrance, and I think I could say emphasis, and add it with previous, and also I think that's it. So the first thing I did is why won't it let me? Oh God. Oh, with a click. All right. Hello, this is Janet Pena, and this is CUIN 7374, and this presentation is being used to showcase animations done to some of the slides according to the requirements that we were asked to complete. Project 5, Animation and Presentation Tools. So I'm using a PowerPoint that we usually use in one of the courses for the pharmacy technician program. This is a workforce program, and so in this course we actually inform and lead through a path the individuals that are interested in coming to this program. So this is an admissions presentation, and it's showing them how to complete requirements, or what requirements they need to be able to begin or be eligible for admission into the program. So the first slide has animation with entrance, and I want to say emphasis. I also did with previous here. In slide number 2, I did motion path animation, and in slide number 5 I did purposeful direction and purposeful ordering, and then after previous. And on all slides, slide number 1, 2, and 5, I also attempted an animation on click. So for this first slide, slide number 1, I'm going to demonstrate entrance with previous. Then if we go to the next slide, and I did do emphasis on how to demonstrate or have the slides come in. But on this one, I did motion path animation, so to give emphasis on while presenting on the topic that I want to speak about. So I highlighted each sentence while I'm going to be discussing that requirement. So this is slide number 2. On the next slide, I didn't do anything or here. But on slide number 5, I did do purposeful direction or purposeful ordering and after previous. So these are the 3 steps to have admission into the program: high school education, take a student success course, and a pharmacy prerequisite class. So with this, I attempted to do purposeful direction and purposeful ordering of animation and after previous. So the last animation, and I'll click through the slides that I did not animate. The last one is on the click and after previous. So this concludes my presentation for PowerPoint animation. Thank you.